So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So wishing you all a happy Dasra. So today we'll be discussing top 2 stocks that we can buy right now and which may give some very good returns for short term. So on weekly basis we are discussing two stocks, both technical basis and fundamental basis. So last week's stock, especially tin plate, has performed very well. More than 8% returns were generated. So other stocks also, they'll take their own time, but definitely you will can expect some very good returns. So today also we'll discuss the same thing, but these two stocks are very special and at any point of time you can expect some quality returns. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks technical charts. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be ADF Foods. So ADF Food, basically I think many people are well known and familiar about this particular brand. It is already engaged in selling of food products which are engaged in pickles, chutneys, ready to eat items which are very much common, and frozen foods and spices. So basically the main business area is related to exporting. So there you can see it generates 95% from exports, and it has 7 flagship brands. So that is a well known company. And if we go a further bit and if you see, the market cap is around 1900 crores, current price is around 958, and if you see high and low, high is around 1095 and 52-week low is around 396, and stock P is around 36.6. So dividend yield is around 0.31, and most importantly return on capital employed followed by return on equity. So numbers are very good, and you can see 27.9% followed by 21.6%. And moving further and seeing what are the major pros and cons, so you can see the company has reduced the debt. So whatever the companies we discuss on a regular basis, the companies are reducing the debt, which is always a positive thing. And of course the next important thing is giving good quarter result. So keeping those things in mind, so ADF Foods is one stock. So after that, promoter holding is one major negative, which is around 31.42, but at any point of time promoters may also increase their stake because the company is performing very well. When we go to the financial section, so there clearly we'll discuss. Okay, so next, moving to the peer comparison in the market related to companies which are engaged in this food business, and you can see PE wise it is around 36.56, and major players like Varun Beverages, Hatsun Agro, so they're having around 126, so slightly we can say higher valuation, but we can say ADF Foods is at a very good region. And next, comparing the ROCE, you can see ROCE is around 27.87, we can say second highest among all the companies, and first was Dodla Dairy, second is ADF Foods. Okay, so next, moving further towards financials, and if we try to compare the operating profit on quarter basis, so clearly we can observe the last quarter significantly there was a decrease in operating profit, but if we try to compare the previous quarters, so consistency was very well and observed in this particular company. So profit before tax has also steadily increased. So last quarter, so just keep it aside, but previous quarters if you try to compare, so the company has performed very well. So net profit is also very good and consistent. So technically the stock has formed a very good pattern. So as I told, we are trading for short term. So why fundamentals? In the sense, even if you want to carry forward for long term, so that is the sense why I'm discussing all the fundamentals. So since we are discussing only for short term point of view, so technicals are very important. So let's quickly go to charts. Okay, so now first we'll try to discuss on weekly chart basis. So once you see the weekly chart, so you can say this particular line, that is the resistive region. So earlier also the stock has tried to break the resistance, but it could not complete that. It has retraced a little bit, but now seeing the technical charts, So clearly we can observe that this particular resistive region is looking very weak and the stock may give breakout at any point of time. So earlier also it has done that, but a quick retracement was there, but now the stock is looking a little positive because the volumes also steadily they are increasing. So what is the breakout region? So breakout region is around 965 and 970. So that particular range is going to be very important. So if it breaks that 965 970, so first target would be 1100, second target would be 1300 followed by 1400. So that may be for midterm, but for short term point of view you need to observe 1100. So this is on weekly chart. So once you go to daily chart, so there is a one very good pattern which is considered a bullish pattern. So what is that? We'll try to see now. Okay, so when we move on to daily chart, so can you observe any sort of pattern? So when we discuss in a secondary channel, so discuss few patterns. So one such pattern, if you are able to identify, that is inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this particular thing is the neckline. So whatever it is trading at the current level, so around 970, whatever I told, so that is going to be the neckline for the company. And what can you expect as the target? So target would be this particular region. So that particular price difference from the neckline to whatever the head bottom is there. So that if we take as the target, you can project it roughly till here and you can expect 1250 to 1300. So that may be the near term target. So daily chart is looking very good. So neckline, if it gives the breakout, you can search for buying opportunities. So this is the first stock and you can see the volumes also. Can you see the volumes? So sudden spike in volumes is suggesting a good breakout. And money flow index is also pointing upward. So technically stock is very bullish. So make sure you keep this stock in radar. So three reasons are present. So first is weekly chart breakout, second is daily chart head and shoulder pattern, volumes are spiking out. So these are the major points that I wanted to discuss, and fundamentally also there are some very good points which we can carry forward for a long term as well. So quickly let's move on to second stock. Okay, the second stock that we're going to discuss is Adani Enterprises. So if you see, it is a well-known company, all of us know it. So market cap is more than 1,81,000 crores. Current price is around 1646, high is around 1718, low is 303. And stock P is around 139, followed by return on capital employed, return on equity stand around 8.69, followed by 6.31%. So since we are discussing for short term point of view, so everything we'll discuss both technically and fundamentally as well. So this is the first thing. Second, if we see the what are major pros and cons, so it is expected to give some very good quarter result, and rest of all we also know something related to dividend payout, low return on equity, and the book value and price to earning ratio. So these seem to be little high. So next ROCE comparison, you can see it is around 8.69 and few other companies have around 16 and 21. So next, operating profit. So you can say little volatile financials, but we know one of the best stock related to Adani is Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises. So they give some very good returns on short term and long term basis. So on that note only, and technically it has given some very good breakout. So let's go to charts. So financial wise, you can see last quarter it has given some very good operating profit, and net profit has also increased very well. Okay, so now first when we see the technical charts, so clearly you can observe this is the weekly chart time frame, and you can see earlier the stock was completely trading in a particular channel, so it was not able to break the 1600 rupees level. So after giving a breakout from that, you can see the volumes have increased very well, and earlier also if you see when it has tried to come out of it and simultaneously it has retraced, so you need to observe that on Monday if it opens in a very good buying region and keeping 1600 as a very good support, you can enter in this particular stock for targets of 1750 and 1800. So why? Because you can see it has come out of the channel, breakout has been seen. So if it tries to do the retest, you can buy at the retest region with some very decent quantity for targets of 750, 1800. So it may cross that as well, because market is also looking very bullish. So keeping all these things in mind, you can add this particular stock to watch list. So this is on weekly chart basis, and money flow index also started spiking up, and it is in the 55 region. So that is also a very good zone. And next, let's go to daily chart as well. Okay, so next, moving further towards daily chart. So here also the same thing, the same region that we discussed in weekly chart, and a very good breakout has been generated. And you can see in the coming sessions, as I told, if it breaks the all-time high of this region. So this particular fall, whatever you're seeing, was because of the external factors, like where that time, Adani Power and some insider deals news has come, right? So because of that itself, the stock has corrected. So that is the one reason, otherwise it would have continued the uptrend. So again, the same thing, the stock has reached the same levels, so it will try to test the 1700 again. So make sure for short term you can gain some very good returns. So must keep in watch list and observe the support levels. Support is 1600. So if it does the retest, enter. Okay, money flow index in daily chart is around 77. It is also looking positive. So these are the two stocks. So first one is ADF Foods, second one is Adani Enterprises. So any other queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.